Hello students, welcome to Meenakshi Biyani's tutorial. I am Meenakshi Biyani. My channel is #Meenakshi Tutorials #. Please like and subscribe my channel and of course share it also. So, we will continue with our trigonometry part 2 class 10th. In my first video, I already told you how to take angles, how to solve them, how to calculate them, what is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now we are going to continue with the values of sine 30, sine 60, 45 and all these things. Okay, so in this video, I will explain you how do you make these tables, how do you find these values. I'll tell you if there is any doubt, you can always ask me in your comment section. Okay, so let us continue with this thing. See, there are in the table, it is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So, when we take sine, so sine 0 degree is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 by 2 and 1. See, while you make these, you should know one thing, that we can learn this, it becomes easy, it becomes faster in the examinations, or we can also do one thing. What? We can take, I will tell you how do you solve it exactly. This is divide all the numbers by 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First write like this, then divide all of them by 4 and underroot it. This is the method which we follow. But then in exams, I think we have to be very fast, so this is better that we learn it and the rest of the lines I'll explain you later. First, let us continue with this. So 0 upon any number is 0, under root 0 is 0. 1 by 4, root 4, that is 1 by 2. Then 2 by 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so it will be 1 by root 2. It will be root 3 by 2 and 4 by 4 is 1 and under root 1 is 1. So this is how we calculate it. But then once again, I would say it will be better to learn it because you don't have that much of time in exams to make the table. So, let us continue. After sine, it comes cos. So, cos 0 degree. Now, in cos, everything becomes opposite. 90 will be 1, 60 will be 30, so on and so forth. See, I am making it. 1, then it will be root 3 by 2, then it will be 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And tan theta, as I have already told you in my previous class, tan is sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1, that is 0, and it will be 1 by root 3, it will be 1, it will be root 3, and it is infinite. So taking these values, in short, I will tell you how do you solve these questions. Okay, so let us take a question. Okay, cos 45 degree over cosec 30 degree plus sec 30 degree. Let us assume it as a question. Okay, so cos 45 degree, as we know, see the table, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 over cosec 30 degree. What is cosec 30 degree? It will be opposite of sine 30 degree, that is 2. And sec 30 degree? Sec 30 degree will be opposite of cos 30 degree, that is 2 by root 3. Then what? Then 1 by root 2 over, here LCM will be root 3, 2 root 3 plus 2. Okay, now what? Now you have to rub the board, yes. Now what? After this comes 1 by root 2 into root 3 over 2 root 3 plus 2. So it will be root 3 over 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. This is what we will do in this. But one thing we should always know, we never leave under roots in the denominator. We never do that. Because maybe in the answers you will get that yes, under root is there in the denominator, so we can keep it like this. Maybe in the answers you will get now also. But then according to our rules, what we do is we rationalize it. We don't keep the under root as it is. Now let me teach you how do you solve it. We got this. What did we get? Root 3 over 2 common, root 6 plus root 2. Right? Now we can start from here. So root 6 minus root 2 over root 6 minus root 2. Okay? So what will you get? root 18 minus root 6 over 2 a plus b into a minus b. You know the formula, a square minus b square, so it will be 6 minus 2. So what will we get? Root 18 minus root 6 over 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. Root 18 is 3 root 2. 3 root 2 minus root 6 over 8. This will be your answer exactly. Never leave the root part, that is square root part, in your denominator. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. I hope, because if there is any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section of my video. You're always welcome to ask your doubts anytime, any place. Okay, we'll continue the next thing in our next video. Hope you all are fine, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye.